Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to show you how to install the 60-inch Nilight LED tail light strip on a Lexus GX 460. This upgrade is going to give your vehicle a sleek and modern look while also providing added safety on the road. Before we get started, let me say that this installation is fairly straightforward and can be done in about 30 minutes with just a few tools. So grab your screwdriver and let's get to work. This install is going to be a little different for me since I am installing mine on the wing of the GX 460. I'm going to splice into the already existing wire harness, and I'm going to add some length to it because for my installation I'm going to need to have a little bit of extra length to stretch the wires in order to be able to hide the wires away from the top of the vehicle. The first step, you're going to need to find your 7-pin connector, which is usually in the back of your GX where the trailer hitch would be. So after I did that, I test fit the Nilight LED strip on the wing of the GX to see where I want to place it at. I also considered where I have to hide the wires and how not to get wires pinched. Once I was confident with the fit, it was time to secure the tail light strip in place. Most LED strips come with adhesive backing that can be easily sticked on the surface of the vehicle. Just be sure to press firmly to ensure a strong bond. But before we stick the strip on there, get you some rubbing alcohol and some paper towels, rub it down real good. Once you're done with that, let it dry. Now it's time to place it on the vehicle. Now it's time to connect the tail light strip to your Lexus GX 460's electrical system. For this, I used a 4-pin to 7-pin connector and I clipped it right in, and everything worked as it should. If you are going to be splicing into this, remember, consider looking on the trailer hitch area for your 7-pin connector. There should be a plastic cover on there. The plastic cover has your wiring diagram. So if you match up Nilight's diagram with your trucks or your SUV's diagram, then you should be able to get what you need. After you connect it, just make sure it works right. In the kit, Nilight provided an extra fuse. If your light all of a sudden just completely goes out and it's not working, consider changing the fuse in that line and your ground line. If you change the fuse and it's still not working, well, after that, try contacting Nilight directly. So after I make sure the lights are working, it's time to secure the wiring and hide them out of the way. Make sure you secure them out of the way so that they aren't pinched or ripped in the door frame. Lastly, give your new Nilight LED tail strip a final once over. Make sure that everything looks perfect, step back and admire the sleek and modern look it gives your vehicle. This will definitely turn heads on and off road. In conclusion, installing a 60-inch Nilight LED tail light strip on your Lexus GX 460 is simple and rewarding upgrade that will give your vehicle a whole new look. With just a few tools and some patience, you can easily transform the appearance of your car while also increasing the safety on the road. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the install process, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks again, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive DIY videos in the future.
Oh,